afternoon. Some of you may know me. I'm Ray Jr. I love at rayjr.com. And the group behind me is the Youth Culture Pros. We're going to sing for you 3 songs. The first song is called Exultate UC. I'm going to ask our assistant conductor, Mr. Eman De Leon, to give say a few words about what this song is about.
Thank you, Ray. The first song is entitled Exultate UC, a composition by Ludovico Grossi da Vedana during the 1400s. That was the time of the Renaissance. This composition is in a polyphonic setting where you will hear independent lines between each section of the choir. So this is Exultate UC. Next song, this is a contemporary song, pop song actually, composed by Augie Alcacid and popularized by Gary Valenciano, and later on was sung by Piolo Pascual as well. This is Kailangan Kita.
Oh.
Sa piling nadarama ang tunay na pagsikat. Pag-iyak kita ng mahigpit, parang ako'y nasa langit. Ngunit ito ay panaginip lamang, pagkat ang puso mo'y labis kong nasaktan. Pakiusap ko, ako ay pakinggan. Ngayon at kailanman, kailangan mong malaman na ikaw lamang ang tunay kong
labis kong nasaktan, pakiusap ko ako ay pakinggan. Kailangan kita, ngayon at kailanman, kailangan kong malaman na ikaw lamang ang tunay ko minamahal, ang lagi kong dinarasal. Kailangan kita ngayon at kailanman, kailangan mong malaman na ikaw lamang ang tunay ko minamahal. At tangi kong dasal ay makapiling ka muli.
Internet, kailangan.
Kailangan kita. Final song. This is a folk song from the Visayas region, and was later on translated into Tagalog. This is Tong Song, or popularly known as Tong Tong Pakitong Kita.
Datong song. Datong.
Tong 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 pakitong kita, ay himango sa dagat, malaki ay mahirap, mahirap mahuli sa lahat ng langagat. Tong 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 pakitong kita, ay himango sa dagat, malaki at mahirap, mahirap mahuli sa kagat ng langagat. Tong 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 pakitong kita, tong 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 tong
Talaga.